Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another items that I got from Craspire. They contacted me again to see if I wanted to do another collaboration with them, and they sent me these items that I picked out, and it was 40 bucks again, and this is what I got. And of course, I will come back with some projects. I can open it up. So they have a lot of course, they specialize in the wax melts and the accessories to go along with it. So I got a square one this time. I thought it'd be cool to have a square one. And this one has a leaf on it, but it looks just like a stamp. It'd be nice to put it on the envelope in the square shape. And they have some envelopes and things like that. So they have the spoons and the kits and the different colors, tons of different colors of the melts. And so this kit comes with, this is the like basic generic spoon, and it comes with 2 of the candles, tea lights. And then this is, where's my cutter? The wax melts. That's not what I was going to do. Nice little container to keep them in. And I just thought I'd try a different sample set, this time with some different colors. Nice little set in here, you can see. So I got 8 different colors, and I did get the bolder colors. Next time maybe or something like that I might get some pastels, but anyway, I got these different colors. So I got some black, some purple, some blues, some greens, some golds, some browns, and red. So that's the whole kit right there. And then I decided that I wanted to get me a different spoon. Although this spoon works fine, I wanted a more decorative one. And so I got one with a wood handle versus a metal handle. You know, I guess because if you do a lot, you know, and this has a little the pour spout on the side, and it's a deeper, has more depth there if you look at it. You can see the difference in it. So I thought I would get one of these to pour it easier, and then also it doesn't, you know, the wood doesn't conduct the heat. Although, like I said, I did this, so I didn't have a problem with it. But imagine if you did a lot over a long period of time, it may get hot. So I figured I'd get the wood handle, and I chose the one with the rose gold on the end. And then I don't even remember what head I got. I got this head. Oh, this has a feather and a scroll on it. And I got that from my other channel, like my other channel to scribe. So this made me think of like a scribe when they used to dip their feather in the ink and write stuff. So there are the 2 heads that I got this time. A round one and a square one, and some different colored melts. And then that decorative spoon. So I will have a link below where you can link to all of these, as well as a discount code for $5 off. So check in the description box, and it's DaretoBeCreative 5, so you can see that down there below. If you want to order anything from there, I think you'll find some good prices and a big selection. They have a really large selection of heads, square and the round ones, and they also have the smaller round ones, and then they also have just on the tube itself. So lots of different combinations that you can find. Seriously, every kind of category that you can think of, they sell it there. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.